Hi everybody, Rose here. Thanks for joining me today. This is a 10 by 20 and this is a technique that B.R. Turner does, and it looks a lot of fun. I wanted to give it a try. I think he calls it the welding technique or spine. So I already have my cup layered up. I've got some cool bright colors. So here's my cup. It's all layered up. So it could be messy.
He got these yellow brown eyes and a smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. From the feelings I can hide when I dance and I sway with his arms tight around me. And sure I mess it up a little later on, but just for now I'll keep dancing. He and his yellow brown eyes and the smile at this boy got the air feeling vibrant. Yeah, got the air feeling vibrant. Feels like the ceiling is high in this club, 'cause right now every move gets me soaring. And when the music's so loud I can't speak, but I sure like to feel it when he's near.